Okay, so for this state name, as it will store only non-numerical value, we will select string. For numerical values but non-fractional values, you will use integer. For fraction, double. For yes no type of responses, boolean, and date or time, it is self-explanatory. You will store date or time here in this field. So for this state field, we will select on the string and let it be 50 character wide. That means it can store the name of the area if it is under 50 words. 50 characters. So let us click OK. Now write the name of the state. So how to do it? Just click on this. You see, whenever I am clicking on the rows, the respective point geometry is being highlighted. You can understand it better if I turn off the background image. You see, this is the first row, then you see second row, third row, fourth row, and so on. Whenever you click on the row of this table, the respective geometry will be highlighted, right? So let us click on the first. This one is our Meghalaya. Then second, this one is Assam. Third one, click on it. This is our Arunachal Pradesh. Give it only AP. Then it is this is, I think, Nagaland. This is, I think, Mizoram. No, sorry, Manipur. Then you come Mizoram. And lastly, it is Tripura. Okay, so we have given the name to each of our geometry, assigned to each of the states. So now how to display the name of the state onto the map. So you click on this point shapefile again, then select labels. After that you select state name field as the label field. So just after that, just give apply and OK. You can see all the name of the state is shown here. Okay. So whenever you want to place the image in the center position of this drawing frame, you just click on this zoom to maximum extent, then it will be in the center position of the drawing. Please note that this image is not georeferenced. It is not georeferenced with any real life coordinate system. So that is why the coordinate system that they are showing is actually the coordinate system of this computer screen, not the coordinate system of the locations. So once you georeference the image, after that you can, if you browse like this, if you move your cursor like this, here the coordinates, the real life coordinates will be shown. So we have shown the name of the location. Similarly, we can also show the name of show the temperature, annual average temperature of all these states. For that, again click on field, click on add field, name it as temperature. Temp, digitize. Now temperature will store a double numerical, which can be a fraction, so use double. But after decimal, this precision means how many points you want to show after decimal. So it is no need to show so many points, just keep 3. So after point there will be 3 digits that can be shown in the map or in the table. And this width of the means the how many number it can store. This is also no need to give 20 for our case. For our case 2 will be enough. So you click on OK. Here temperature. Now I am just writing some arbitrary temperature. These are not at all the real life temperature of the states. Just randomly I am giving the values. So this is for demonstration purpose only. So they are not at all the real temperature. So let us give it like this. Yes, so we have shown add the temperature here. Now to show the temperature like the name of the location, just click on the labels, and then instead of in the label field, instead of state name, use temperature. Okay, and after that it will be automatically adjusted. It will be ask how many decimal you want to show. So here auto will be selected. If auto is selected, they will show only 3 decimals. Otherwise you can specify how many number after the decimal you want to show in the map. So like this. Now then you can apply. You see all the temperatures are being shown instead of the name of the state. Now you can also show the name of the state and the temperature at the same time. For that you are going to go to label. Now you have to use the expression tab, right? And here you will see that uh, the temperature is already here. Now I want to show the display the state field also. So let us go like this. Just write the name of the state in the 4th bracket, right? Like this. Close the 4th bracket. This field doesn't. Okay, so here you have to write the name of the field. So just a moment. Let me see the name of the field. This is state name. Here you have to use the name of the field, not the alias. Okay, so when you go to table editor, you go to layers, levels, then to expression, and then just write state name, use the 4th bracket. Okay, so let me display the state name first. After then I'm going to show the temperature. So here you have to also use the comma field. Then you can okay, so there is state. So two fields here. So yes, let me first write the state field.